Now, Greg, we've been talking all about the different type of criteria you might want to set for yourself when you're considering some makerspace tools, haven't we?
Definitely.
But you know, one of the things we haven't really considered is that learning needs to be at the core of any decision you make, doesn't it?
That's the most important part.
Absolutely. What are you wanting your students to achieve? What are you wanting them to learn? And that comes at the core of your decision. But there are some other things you might like to consider as well, aren't there?
Definitely.
What are some of those?
Compatibility.
Oh.
What are the things that we've got? And you need to look at the devices you already have at school. You don't want to have to go buying more things because this particular robot or that particular robot needs a particular device to program it with.
Oh, so if you've only got computers and suddenly you need a tablet, that's a huge amount of extra expenditure that you're going to have to think about.
So do your research beforehand.
Yeah, absolutely. That's really important. And I know a lot of robots you can connect with Bluetooth, which is really cool.
Yep, it's very
so
clever.
You don't have to worry about your school network.
Can get a little confusing working out which robot's programming which. And
that's
so
always the case.
It can be fun in the classroom then.
I think this one's ears glow a different colour or something, don't they?
That helps,
yes.
Kind of so cool. At least you've got an identifier.
Yeah, but
exactly.
I can see this lead here. Is this one connected physically?
This one can connect physically, and that makes it a lot easier to work with because in the classroom, I know that this computer is programming this particular robot.
Makes so much sense.
Some of them allow you to do both wirelessly or, so that gives you a bit of versatility.
Absolutely. In our lower stages, we'd probably want...
Well, graphical programming languages are nice and easy. By graphical I mean we can take a pretty picture and just drag and drop it onto the screen.
Look up Scratch, guys.
Scratch is really good.
Awesome
Blockly's another version of it as well. There's variations on it, but they all do the same thing.
Isn't that awesome? That's a really great thing for our students who are starting out.
And then as they get better or more advanced or looking for more challenges.
Yes, remembering learning is at the core, and all of our students at the moment are beginners because robots are new to everyone.
A lot of them, that's it.
But when they get experience, what are we looking for as well?
Well, then they can start moving up into text-based languages. And those text-based languages probably allow them to do a little bit more.
And it's not so hard. Don't be scared by text-based programming.
Exactly.
It's a myth. But you know what? I've heard that some robots can do both. Am I right?
Yes, many of them have.
Absolutely.
So you can use the graphical programming language or you can use the text-based. So that's a good transition for you.
Good continuum. Another thing to add to your criteria.
And that's research, getting a decent robot that will allow you, or device, doesn't matter, that will allow you to transition from your younger years to your more advanced years.
Fantastic. So don't just buy the first thing that you see. Have a think about it. Develop a criteria, and that'll really help you make sure you get the makerspace tools.
As you said before, buy one and play with it to start off with. See if it fits your environment and your students.
Indeed, indeed.
And then get into it with a whole pile, with 2-to-1, 3-to-1 ratio for your kids.
Fantastic. All right, guys, go and get making, innovating, and creating.
Enjoy.